update. My son didn't tell me that he... Oh, fuck that light. That fucking... And I can't move because I got the shortest fucking charger for my phone and it's on 1%. I have to say what to say. Didn't tell me that he fucking put my hose together, the one I got from Shein. It's so cute and it's like a stretchy one, and he did it. Just sitting out there for fuck knows how long, and I'm here thinking like my kid don't listen to me, and he does. He just doesn't communicate that he done it. But you know, baby steps. Maybe I'll let him shut my mouth, you know. But then again, he should tell me, because why would you want to hear my nagging fucking... My own voice irritates me. And first thing, before I show you the hose, I finally cleaned my fucking makeup brushes. I'm not telling you how long, because I hardly wear makeup anyway, so it doesn't fucking matter. But it does matter, but I'm telling you. Here is the hose.